Welcome to our cabin tour on the Celebrity Infinity. We are here in a balcony cabin on deck 8. It's a concierge class cabin, and now we are going to present you what this cabin looks like, what features it has. So let's dive into it. The first obvious thing we noticed at once is the really huge bed in the middle of the cabin. It's even bigger than a king-size bed, we think, and I'm really appreciating this because I'm over 2 meters tall, so it's really right for me. There is also some non-complimentary water available here, and there is also a fridge which contains some non-complimentary drinks. There are 2 European outlets and there are 2 US outlets for charging. And there are 2 lamps, one of each side of the bed, but there are no USB outlets available.
In the cabin there is an illuminated writing or dressing table with several storage compartments. In the entrance area there is a large closet with hanging space and numerous deep drawers. A safe and umbrellas are of course also available. There is furthermore a television. The bathroom also has a shower with a process in addition to a few toiletries. Naturally, there is a line for hanging up the laundry. The small but nice non-smoking balcony has 2 comfortable chairs and a table. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, we don't bite. See you in the next video.